Hello, I am Shweta Shinde, Assistant Professor in AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane. This is fourth video prepared for International FDP on Environment and Sustainability, OE4BW. Let's have a review of previous weeks. In week 1, I have discussed where mathematics can be used for environment and sustainability. In week 2, we have discussed ISO standards and various ISO standards used for application of mathematics in environment sustainability. So, following are the video outcomes of previous videos. After learning through these videos, students will correlate mathematics in environment studies. Students will understand few applications of mathematics for conservation of energy and ecosystem. Students will understand what is ISO and its standards in some branches of environment engineering. Following is list of ISOs which we have discussed for the said applications. We'll have a quick review of it. ISO 80002 for specification of mathematical symbols. ISO TC 211 for collection of geographical systems. ISO 1430 for financial assistance used for nominated projects and assets. ISO 19115 for description of process of collecting geographical information and associated services. ISO 29400 for offshore wind technology. ISO 9806 performance of solar collectors. ISO TR 27912 for description of carbon capture and storage technique. ISO 14001 for environment management system. Fine. Now, the next topic is carbon footprint. What is carbon footprint? It is amount of greenhouse gases, mainly carbon dioxide, released into atmosphere by a particular human activity. Now these different greenhouse gases have hazardous impact on Mother Earth, and hence it is essentially needed that such impact should be measured with the proper metric. The standard unit for measurement of carbon footprint is carbon dioxide equivalent, or it is also called CO2e. It is expressed as part per million by volume, that is ppmv. Carbon footprint consists of different greenhouse gases can be expressed to a single number. Here, then standard ratios are used to convert different gases into equivalent amount of CO2. And there comes a concept of GWP, that is global warming potential. Global warming potential is a measure of how much energy emissions of 1 ton of gas will absorb over a given period of time relative to emissions of 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Larger the GWP, the more that a given gas warms the earth as compared to CO2. See, the comparison list is mentioned with greenhouse gases and their global warming potential. Scaled on the capacity of carbon dioxide as 1, methane 21, N2O 310, and so on. Fine. Here, the time horizon in this calculation is usually 100 years. It is a critical element in the calculation and is also debatable. Sometimes when we look at the impact for shorter period, especially, it is debatable. But still, GWP is a common measure allowing analysts to estimate emissions of various gases and policymakers for comparison of emission reduction opportunity. Now here is something interesting. In the recent survey of Carbon Brief has provided a significant information. With many countries enforcing lockdown in response to the pandemic of COVID-19, CO2 emissions showed largest ever annual fall. Look at the picture. There were many calamities happened in the past and had impacted on CO2 emission. But coronavirus pandemic brought CO2 emissions to drop down by 6%. Although it is good news to the mankind, but we would certainly never expect a pandemic to teach us a lesson. So let's be smart, let's be eco-friendly for the bright future of next generation. We certainly have to reduce carbon footprint. Now, how can an individual do that? We can do it with the simple measures. Keep your surrounding clean. Plant more trees. Reduce and recycle plastic waste. Reduce electricity. Go for renewable energy sources such as solar, wind technology, CFL, etc. Reduce use of fossil fuel. The next part is sustainability computations. Now I have talked about use of mathematics for environment sustainability. These mathematical or statistical models used in various applications for conservation of environment are mostly developed with the help of software. Hence, if proper malware and security is maintained, then these models are lifelong sustainable. There is no question about sustainability. Fine. So here, I pledge to save environment and strive for its sustainability. I hope you too will join me for the same. Thank you.